guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application. We will show you right now how to create the stitches on a TikTok. Let's open the For You page. And for example, we will create the stitch for this TikTok. How to do it? We need to tap on the share option here at the right panel of the screen and click on the stitch feature. So what does it mean that we will create the stitch option? Guys, this feature is very cool because it helps us to come up with endings or complement our own videos or other people's videos on TikTok. This will also help us to create some reactions and complete the usual the already created TikTok of other people and create our own work. So guys, right now we need to select the needful part of the video for which we will create the stitch. After dragging the white lines, we will set the duration for the first video. Remember that our part will be after the selected one. So I will, for example, choose only this part of the selected TikTok, and let's tap on the next. So right now is the usual TikTok creation, as you can check, but we have some more interesting options right now. I will show you each of them. So the first that we can select the duration of the whole video we will create right now. So we will create also the 3 minutes video or only 1 minute or 15 seconds. I will use the shorter option. And guys, let's check the first feature that we can activate some effect. But I don't want to do it, so let's tap on this crossed circle. And guys, what does it mean? The other features. We have this option to change the camera. For the new TikTok creation, we can activate or disable the flashlight. Use timer. For example, we can set the countdown. Example for 3 seconds or 10 seconds, and after dragging this line we can adjust the clip length, for example only 13 seconds. Let's start it, and after countdown our new video will start to be recorded, but I don't want to do it. Let's disable these changes, discard, because I want to show you other options like filters. After clicking on it, we have our usual filter as on the TikTok application, like black, white, for example. Okay, we can also correct the speed of our TikTok. I will use this one, and don't forget about this retouch option if you want to make our teeth for example white, or use some lipstick for our TikTok. And guys, well done. Let's create our new TikTok after tapping on this central button. Here we have it. And I need to make my video a little bit longer before I will tap on the check mark. As you can check right now, my duration of the video is normal, so I can tap on the check mark to save changes. And right now is the result. So as you can check, the first part of my newly created TikTok is the previously created from other person TikTok, and the second part is my own video. Let's tap on the next. Sorry, I forgot to say that right now you can also manage the TikTok with the usual apps options like text, stickers, effects, filters, voice, noise reducer, also volume, privacy settings, etc. And let's tap on the next to publish this newly created video. Remember that right now you will have the stitch tag. You can disable and remove it as the usual description, and you will also get the mention for the first video for which we created the stitch. You can disable these all mentions, for example this way. Don't forget that you can also correct other options below, and let's post our TikTok. let's check the result after the uploading. I will refresh my profile page because I want to show you the result here. And guys, right now I hope that you know how to create the stitches on your account, and don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!